What's up, guys? My trade recap for February 28th, 2025. So coming into today, 9 o'clock market open. I saw that we're in a downtrend, and I was really favoring a trade today, but I said I would have taken a trade if I saw opportunity. But overall, I wasn't really looking to trade today because of how the market was moving from those yesterday and today. I saw it moving this morning when I woke up. But I saw that we had this 4 hour imbalance right here. I wasn't really expecting price to come up here or at this 4 hour high either. I was kind of just expecting price to sweep this liquidity, and honestly I wanted the market to come up here into market open and then go down here, but as I say, I wasn't really favoring a trade today. So this is my ideal trade where price would actually come into the hourly fair value gap and make the move down, and I would probably target this as well. But that wasn't the case for today, and let's get into why. So on my hourly chart, I saw we're in a downtrend as well, coming into our macro or coming into market open, which is around right here. Market open 9:30. So coming into market open, I saw that we're in the downtrend on our 5 minute chart, and I was looking for price to reach for this liquidity right here, which is this a hourly low right here on the chart. This was my only draw on liquidity for lows today, as well as these lows as well. But I wasn't expecting price to reach all the way down here for today. So my draw on liquidity was this coming into market open. And once I saw that price hit it, which is into my macro at 9:55, I was saying that it don't really make sense to trade today and today because it already hit my target for today. So I wasn't really looking for like a trade, and I still ended. I'm going to show you what I did today, but this was my target for today, and I was hoping that coming into the macro or at least market open, price would reach up into this fair value gap right here, and then make the move down. But that wasn't the case. But the trade that I ended up taking was a long, where I said that it already hit my target, and I saw that it's going the order flow of the market change. So I was saying I can look for longs as well if I really wanted to trade, but I still wasn't really favoring the trade. So um to trade today, because today is not really a good day to trade in my opinion. But I was looking for longs. Originally, I was looking for shorts, and if I got the entrance up here, I would have been profit. But I was looking for longs after my target got hit, and I saw we change order flow. We started to go up, and we made the Fair Valley gap, and we also had this imbalance right here that got invalidated on this candle. So I zoom into my 1 minute chart, and I saw that we closed above the Fair Valley gap right here. So this is an inverse Fair Valley gap. I originally entered on, I believe I entered on this candle going down, this candle, the 10:30 candle, and I was just expecting price to enter the Fair Valley gap and immediately like start making moves towards this liquidity. But I saw price did something that I didn't really like, so I ended up closing my trade early, which is why I just kind of broke even. Well, I didn't make any money today, but this is why I actually closed my trade. So I saw price made an inverse fair value gap right here on this candle, and I was saying to myself, this trade is not really worth it. So even though it actually hit my target for today, and I would have won the trade and made like a 1 to 1, to me it wasn't really worth it. So I ended up coming out of the trade once I saw it come back to my entry price. And the reason for that was because I saw it inverse my fair value gap, and again I saw it inverse. I saw it come back down into this fair value gap and inverse it as well. So I was saying price could be looking to go lower. So I wasn't really willing to take the risk today, even though it would have worked in my favor. But I personally wasn't really willing to take the risk today, especially today is a Friday. That I was good for this week. So price ended up just filling the Fair Valley gap though, and it actually, let me see if it actually did. It technically closed below it, which I really don't want to see, but which is why I came out of the trade because it closed below it. But um, this was just a case of the market just behaving like the market. So it closed below the fair value gap. To me, this would be like a breaker structure. So I wasn't willing to take that risk to just make a one-to-one trade. So this was my trade. Although I could have put my stop right here and it would have been a better risk to reward. I was just not feeling the trade today, especially because of how late in market open this trade came. I kind of just took it as like, okay, this is not the trade today, and we have trades tomorrow, we have trades Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We don't have to force a trade. So I think I forced a trade coming into today, even though it would have been a good trade if I stayed in it. But I just want to exercise like more discipline as to only taking like the best trades, and this trade was really the best trade because just the time of when everything happened. So what I could have done better today, first of all, I should have just left the chart after certain time frames. Like after this, like I should have probably leave the chart, but I didn't. And I think that I should have done was I could have just accept the risk, which should have made me made money. But as I say, I wasn't really feeling this trade. So this is why I came out to the trade early at a slight profit. Not really. It's in green. I came out in green, not red. So this was my trade recap for February 28, 2025, and just looking into this week. This week was kind of this week was alright. Not going to tell no jokes or lies or whatever, but my expectation for market right now is that price going to come back down here and take out the people them that were going long. But yeah, this was my trade recap for February 28, 2025.